For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There we go again. Another silver emergency message.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Springs Police Department. Civil emergency message. In an attempt to prevent damages and violence, a citywide curfew is in effect from now for the city of Colorado Springs and up north of El Paso County until further notice. This means all Colorado Springs residents must return home and stay home until curfew is lifted. This is mainly because due to COVID-19, please keep your children indoors at all times. Do not leave your house. You might put your life and child at extreme danger. To protect your family, lock all windows and doors, close all fireplaces. If possible, block the door to prevent people from entering. If one of these people enters your house, fight as a last resort. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and this should be taken seriously. If you got hurt by these protesters, don't rush yourself to nearest hospital. The streets is all blocked. Stay where you are. The emergencies response team won't make it to your location. If your building is damaged or destroyed, call. Stay tuned for media outlets for further updates on this extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation.
This is 2 times it went off.